Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can enable the new order notifications on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the profile option on the me option on the bottom right corner. We can see the me option right there. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we reach here we can just see the notification setting option. Just tap on the notification setting option, and in the first section we can see the new order notification right there. So for enabling that, just tap on it. So after that we can see the all stores option. Just enable this. So after doing that we can just get the notification right there. So this is how we're gonna enable the new order notifications on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.